Okay, so this is Juneteenth. It's for Julia, and it's by request from Aunt Cindy, Uncle Alan, and Aunt Joyce. Okay? Ready? Okay? After the Civil War, we thought slavery was done for sure. We thought slavery was done everywhere. But some people wouldn't follow the rules. In Texas, they were slave-owning fools. They were still owning slaves, and they didn't care. The Union Army had to come and tell them slavery was done. Tell them there would be no more slaves anywhere. That day was June 19. We celebrate equality, Juneteenth, equality everywhere. Now here's something to think about. Even as we sing and shout, we need to work for equality everywhere. So next time you see people not being treated equally, you need to speak up for equality everywhere. That day was June 19. We celebrate equality, Juneteenth, equality everywhere.